Next song I'm gonna play we just put out like 2 weeks ago. It's called Crave.
Say hi. What's going on?
We'll be better by the sun. All my clothes. So far, just nobody.
Hi, video.
This is just a little opening set for you guys. Ducks in a row, wearing all of my clothes.
Say hi. Hi.
You want to fight off your villain.
Oh.
$4 for Lucy.
Yeah.
Hello, tonight.
Say hi, Livy. Blue kind of girl. Love that for you. Okay. Say your name again.
Erica Ambrosino.
Perfect. So, how are you doing today?
I'm doing great. Ever better since I came here.
How are you doing in your life right now on a scale from 1 to 10, 1 being the worst, 10 being the best?
I'd say probably like a 7.
Okay, 7. Good, good, good.
No, we'll take that.
What are some happy things going on in your life?
Some happy things. Doing pretty well in school. I met a lot of
Good.
new people here. I just transferred to Rutgers.
Oh,
actually.
very nice.
Yeah,
Did you
so
transfer this semester or
last semester.
last semester?
This is my
Okay.
first basement show. So
Oh, very nice. Cool. Awesome. So your first basement show experience, do you think you're going to go to more?
Definitely, yeah. I love them.
Awesome.
I grew up, my dad's in a band, so like.
Oh, very nice. So you've been around, you've been around that.
Yeah.
So, okay. Can you tell me about one of the best moments in your childhood, like a childhood memory that sticks out for you?
Alright. Probably when, so like I said, my dad was in a band. I would go to his gigs with him, and one time I played tambourine at his gig, and I got to sing a solo. And then we got fish sandwiches from Burger King after, and they were actually fresh as fuck, like at the midnight night, and really good.
Very nice. Awesome. And then your favorite color?
My favorite color is purple.
Perfect. Yes, I see you have the purple on right now.
I do have purple on. It's not because that's my favorite color. I just like that color.
Yeah, no. Purple's a good color. Okay, awesome.
What's your favorite color?
My favorite color is green.
I love that color.
Green is my, yes,
Like
I
my
love
second
green.
favorite.
Yes. Awesome, okay. Thank you so much. Your name? Your name.
My name's Jay and Johnny.
So, what's your favorite color?
Right now, I'd have to say it's black.
Oh, nice. So, do you think that, like, favorite colors change? Like, how frequent do your favorite colors change?
Probably depending on the mood and depending on what the vibe is.
Okay, nice. Depending on the vibes, I get that.
Yeah, like, you know, if you're feeling down, it's probably like a darker color. If you're feeling happy, it's probably a lighter color.
Yeah, it's very true. I feel like a lot of people, like, they, like, change, like, at different rates, you know what I'm saying? Depending on the person.
Yeah, obviously.
Yeah, okay. So, you obviously went to kindergarten to
Yes.
senior year, right? What was your favorite year of public school?
Public school. It's probably got to be senior year.
Senior year,
Class of
yeah.
2020.
Nice.
All I gotta say is like I missed, so I went out sick Wednesday of like Corona week, so I went out Wednesday. I was sick Thursday and Friday. I missed the last 2.5 days of our actual school year,
Yeah.
and then the rest of the year was online school. Cheated the shit out of those AP tests.
Yeah, felt that.
Went surfing and went to work.
Felt
That's all I gotta say.
very nice. Awesome. So, what's your lucky number?
Since I'm a narcissist, I just gotta tell everyone it's 13.
13. Very nice.
You know why?
Why?
13's half my birthday. Birthday's July 26th.
Very nice. Awesome. Great. Thank you so much.
No problem. Yeah.
Oh, I need your names.
I'm
Lily.
Lily.
Emma? Okay, Lily and Emma. How are you guys doing today?
Good, pretty good actually.
Yeah.
It's Friday.
It is Friday. So, what are your guys' favorite colors?
Green.
Green is my favorite color. Pink, green and pink. Nice. So why is pink your favorite color?
I don't know, it makes me feel girly and cute. I just like the color.
Nice. And why is green your favorite color?
I just love like being outside. Like I've never had really I'm in like grass and like it's sunny. And, that's my vibe.
Yes, felt that. Alright, so how long have you guys been friends for?
We just met this semester. I mean, this year actually.
Really? Oh my god, that's so nice. So can you guys tell me about like your favorite night ever? Like one of the most fun nights you've ever had together?
Oh my god, there's honestly so many. I know this is so cute. Literally all my favorite memories here are with her, so I don't even know like which one to pin.
That's actually facts. We just like always fun.
Yeah, they're all of them.
And like we're always together.
The first night we went like out. Not to sound cheesy, but the first time we went to our favorite frat. I think that was our favorite.
What frat is it? Nice. Awesome.
I met my boyfriend there.
Oh, very
We
nice.
have a lot of memories going.
Very nice. Very nice.
We're just always having a good time.
Right. Yeah. Awesome. Alright, guys. Thank you so much.
Go together. Okay. This together.
Alright, guys. So I need your names.
Hi, I'm Kimbella.
First and last.
Yeah.
All
Go right
right, sure.
ahead.
I'm Danny Gonzalez.
Awesome. How are you guys doing today?
I'm doing pretty well today, actually.
Yeah. Good.
Yeah, doing well. It's been a good night so far.
I feel like this is such a good vibe down here, you know?
Yes, very
Do you
much.
guys go to the school?
No, I
No.
reside here.
Yeah.
Same. I'm the same way.
I live in Highland Park, but I work in New Brunswick.
Awesome. Cool. Alright, so what are your guys' favorite colors?
I would have to say like turquoise.
Turquoise is a
Yeah.
good color. Nice.
Purple and pink.
So why is purple and pink your favorite colors?
Because they're bright, they're very vibrant, they're very girly, you know.
Very
They're
nice.
diversity, you know.
Yeah. And you?
I like turquoise. I don't know. I'm a water sign. I know it sounds so generic.
No, oh my gosh.
But
What's your sign?
Pisces.
Oh, Pisces.
Aries, rising, Scorpio, moon. Hit.
I'm an Aries rising and Scorpio moon.
No way!
No way!
Okay.
Oh my
Alright,
god!
Have fun, sweetie.
Yes.
I'm Virgo, Sun, Capricorn moon, and Cancer
Oh, very nice. Awesome. All right, so can you guys tell me, so you guys are friends?
Yeah, we're establishing a friendship.
We are
Very
establishing a
nice.
friendship.
So how long has it been since you guys...
A few months, at least. A few months.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Okay, can you guys tell me like your favorite thing about each other? Like as friends?
Dan can sing, he
Oh.
can dance, he can cut a rug. Let me tell you something right now. This man's vocals, wow.
Very nice.
Wow.
Ooh, love the nails by the way.
Thank you, they're grown out.
So no, I love it though. So cute.
It's a vibe.
And then, what is your favorite?
It's honestly her outgoing personality, her energy. Like, she's literally the life of the party anywhere she goes.
Aww.
She's like a force to be reckoned with. She's phenomenal.
So nice.
Wow, thank you.
Yeah.
So, in your life right now, on a scale from 1 to 10, 1 being the worst and 10 being the best, how would you rate your general life right now?
Life right now, I would have to give it a solid 8.
Awesome. Okay, pretty high. For you?
Generally, I would give it about like a 7-8. Right around
Awesome.
there. Yeah.
Cool. Great. So we're in good places. Good
I
for
think
you
so,
guys.
yeah.
Mental is getting there.
Awesome.
Self-care.
Yeah,
Make
self-care.
your own happiness.
Self-care.
If you can't be happy by yourself, somebody else will make you happy. So
Very
happiness
true.
really makes, like,
It's
find the happiness within yourself, find things that you love, and go for it.
yeah, very true. All right. Thank you so much, guys.
All right, thank you.
Thank you.
It was a pleasure.
How are you doing today? Talk loud.
I'm pretty good. I went to IHOP.
You went to IHOP?
I did go to IHOP.
That's fun. You all went to IHOP. What did you guys get?
Bacon, eggs. Yeah. We got bacon, eggs, and hash browns with, what is it? Pancakes. Yeah, hash browns. Or hash browns. Okay, hash browns.
Nice.
I got a plan.
Oh, so nice.
Can I come through?
Yeah, go through. You're good. You're good. But what is the thing that's pissing you guys off the most right now?
Yeah, it's really cold.
In general, like in your life.
Okay, I hate on Spotify when people like press songs instead of cue them, because I have like a lined up cue and it'll mess up my cue.
That's very true. That's very true. What about you?
Like really seeing their opinions and like getting really defensive, like when you're me too and then you confront them about it, they get like super defensive and they're like, oh well, like my mom died like 9 years ago, you know.
Yeah, that's a little bit.
There's a lot of confrontation you can never just like get an apology from them. It's always like, I'm
Right.
sorry.
Yeah.
You should also be sorry.
Yeah. Yeah, definitely. What about you?
Probably when I'll get into an argument with someone and they really like the emphasis of the argument for me is just supposed to hear what they're thinking and then you're just being yelled at. And you're like, no, like I just want to speak so like I want you to hear my like point of view. You can.
Yes.
You know?
Yes, you're right.
I was thinking about that earlier today. I was like, wow, that really makes me fucking angry.
Yeah. Very.
My boyfriend's in a grad, so there's a lot of.
Oh, okay. Yeah. All right. Perfect. Thank you guys. Say hi. Or say bye. Hey.
Anyways, thank you everyone. Good night. Have a good night.